So our initial concept picked up from our already successful BC43 confocal benchtop microscope. We already had existing customers for the BC43, so by listening to those customers and observing them using the BC43 as it was in its first generation, we were able to identify new improvements that we could make to that product range.
It is always a challenge for us to do something so complex in a small package that is the BC43. It's really important to get the technicians involved with the development process as early as possible in the development cycle, and that means that the engineers can learn about what's going to be difficult when it gets into production, and that's been really, really key for our manufacture of this product.
So I guess the innovative thing about this product is that we really are offering modularity to customers for the first time. Before now there's been one cost point and one product, and really there's no real modularity within BC43. This new product structure has really changed the way we handle customer interaction, and it lets us provide multiple entry points.
So that when we introduced the BC43 a couple of years ago, the confocal model, that was innovative, that was the first of its kind, and even now it's still unique. Now with the portfolio expansion, we've managed to maintain the simplicity as well. So even though we've expanded the range, the simplicity, which is key to this, is really what sets it apart.
This is for the customers who don't need to be physicists, who don't need to know the in-depth information about how the camera works. All they want to do is make sure that they can do their own research, and giving the engineers really time to think about the problem and coming up with solutions. And I think in this package we tried to keep it as simple as possible for the customer. The customer can open the BC43, put their sample in and get an image within a few minutes, and that has always been the goal, and we've held that really fast, so that's the the objective that the engineering team worked on.
In this new range, we're adding more functionality, so it's important that that functionality was easily upgradable into the existing product, and that upgrade could be done in the field. Because if we can do it in the field, that's minimum disruption to customers who want to upgrade into something more sophisticated in the future as their research needs grow. So it's less downtime for them, less disruption to their research, and also it's a more affordable path as well for them to achieve that upgrade.
That ability for the product to grow with their research is going to be key for us to build our customer base.